What's going on, guys? Operation Moon here with another video. Today's the big day. I said when I hit 500 subs there would be a giveaway. The giveaway is a guide that I've put together on how I pick new tokens to invest in. Now, I have a strategy. I had a lot of successful picks by using the steps in this strategy through the course of this year. Now, if you follow the steps in this guide, it's going to provide you with the information you need to make a sound investment. Now, whether or not it is going to be short term or long term, that's going to be covered in this guide. Also, whether or not it's actually safe to invest the token that you're thinking about. It's all going to be covered in this guide. Now, the winner today is Renee Martinez. So Renee, if you're able to comment on this video or my next video, and I'll get in touch and provide you with a copy of that guide. So yeah, just want to say thanks for everyone who has been supporting me and my content. It's greatly appreciated. Road to 1,000 subs. It's happening. So let's get it. If you like the content, drop a comment, hit that like button. Now, in today's video is going to be a Safemoon update. Also going to look at why the market has been going down, but we'll just get straight into it. So heading over to the website, you can see that we are almost at 2.4 million holders. So we are on the way. The market cap is down below 2 billion. So it's 1.8, we'll round up 1.9. But we will look at that. The price is 3,220. Now, there's been a lot of movement in the crypto market in the last 48 hours. Okay, now we will touch on that, but in the last 24 hours, the market is up 3.3%. Now, very interesting considering Bitcoin hit a level that it hasn't touched since, I believe, January. Now, it's about 28.3K. We'll have a look at the chart later. It may have touched it once before, but been a long time since it's got to that level. And as you can see, a downward trend, and then we have touched here, instantly bought back up. Well, obviously, every coin is following Bitcoin at the moment. So the same happened to Safemoon. Now, Safemoon was on a downward trend, big spike down, but it got bought right back up. And now we'll jump into those charts a bit later in the video, but just wanted to show you the visual. As you can see, we're down 28% over the last 7 days. And that's, everything across the market. 15% on Bitcoin in the last 7 days, 21% on Ethereum. Like, the market's just down, but we've had a small swing back up. So we will see how long this lasts. Jumping across to Whale Watcher now, there has been massive movements on this front. Basically, the top wallet holder sold 1 trillion tokens. There it is, 1.3 trillion tokens. Sold, gone, boom, out of here, which is insane. So that's in the last 24 hours or so. That sale happened. Now, we can go to the address and you can see there are multiple transactions out of thousands of BNB. So we'll click on one of these for fun. Click on this 3,000 one. And if you just go and have a look here, you can do the math. It's millions. This one's hundreds of thousands of dollars, probably a good $1.5 million, 2 mil there. And then we've got this. So you've got 600,000, 530, 530, 75, 75. It just goes on. It's a ludicrous amount of money. So 790, 790, 790, 500. Like, yeah. So it's interesting. Crazy stuff there from the sell-off. So yeah, just a quick update there on the whale watching. As you can see, there's been a lot of movement. So top wallet sold 1 trillion tokens. That's crazy. Crazy stuff there. Now, we're going to head across to the Reddit. There's an interesting post here. Some screenshots. John in the Discord. And now let's have a look at it. Smart Mesh. This could be how they provide Africa with 5G and then other countries. This is a rumor, speculation, obviously. There was that tweet that happened the other day where there was, a picture of Africa and a few things like that. So people think that might be the next move for Safemoon. But as you can see here, John basically says, the wizard just gave me the heads up, he has completed some new spells. We are currently moving at a ludicrous speed on everything. Every product, even products and tech that we have yet to talk about. Captain, any more crazy information to fuel us for the day? Mesh networks are cool. Like, that is it. And there's a little breakdown of what mesh network is. What is smart mesh? Smart mesh is a blockchain-based underlying protocol of the Internet of Things. Smart mesh has built-in blockchain, light nodes, and extends to the Raiden and Lightning Network second layer architecture network protocols, allowing internet-free digital payments and transactions. Huge if they implement this. Utilizing blockchain-based token incentives, smart mesh technology allows the formation of agile, decentralized mesh networks that can self-repair and have higher near-field speeds and bandwidth than standard internet connections. Smart mesh allows blockchain to break through the internet boundary into the IoT, Internet of Things, and IoE, Internet of Everything era, where all things are connected. Now, obviously, it's only rumor and speculation, but if that is something they are looking into, it's going to put Safemoon on another level. I mean, it already is, but it's just they're going to keep one-upping like all the competition. So, looking forward to that to find out more about this mesh network statement here. Just update on the Twitter here. They're at 932,000 followers, so still making their way towards that 1 million. Around the corner, there's a few pictures here on the Twitter. So that's San Francisco, Golden Gate Bridge with the Safemoon in the background. Got a tokenomics post. And the same thing here with the bridge in London. So, I know what they're hinting at. Now, it's good that the socials that are still growing. They're still very active here. But what we're going to touch on is, the reason why, or part reason why Bitcoin dumped. Now, it's due to China. We're aware of that, but there was a dump the other day, came back, and then we dumped again. So China says banks must block crypto transactions, market falls. China's central bank says institutions must not provide trading, clearing, a settlement for crypto transactions. So that's basically it. They have banks must not provide products or services such as trading, clearing, and settlement for crypto transactions. They also have to make sure to identify virtual currency exchanges and over-the-counter dealers, capital accounts, and cut off the payment linked to transaction funds in a timely manner. So cryptocurrencies fell with Bitcoin trading near 32,000 and Ether dropping below 2,000 for the first time since 23rd of May. So this is coming off the back of China banning the cryptocurrency mining, which caused a dip back then. So look, it's happened previously. China's, banned Facebook. I believe they banned Instagram, a few things like that, which would have an impact on the market share for sure. But this one more so. And as you can see on the chart right here, like we've been on a downward trend, and this is when it started. Okay, I mean, it started all the way back up here, but in the last few days, it's a massive dump here. All right, but this is it. We got down to 28,000 here. We broke it. So 32K is a key level of support. And then a major level of support is that 28K zone. So I knew if we were to break 32 or 32, 1 or something around that figure, we were going to touch 28K, which is exactly what happened. But the crazy part is, out here to the day, I mean, the last time we've had Wix touch this back on the 19th of May. The last time we were this low was the 22nd of Jan. So we've basically, we'll put it in perspective, we've touched this level 3 times in the last 6 months. So that's quite bad. But got bought right back up. As you can see, some nice handles there. It was bought right back up. Like, this is hit this 28,000 and just instantly got bought because people knew like that's a 20% buyback in the span of like 12, 14 hours. So I reckon that was opportunity for these big institutes to get back in. But of course, if Bitcoin goes up 20%, what does that do to the rest of the market? Well, we can see Safemoon right here. And now, I don't know if I have to tell you what this is, but this is obviously the sell-off from the number one holder. At 1 trillion sell-off, which is a 24% sell-off. It's massive, but once again, the community prevails. We have bought all of that back up. So if we just go from here to where we are now, 51% increase. Like it's just the Safemoon community is unreal. So got all the way down to the 215 area and we're back up to 320. So that's awesome. A 50% increase in the last. In perspective here. But that's a better way to look at it. We've had a 52% increase the last 12 hours. All right, from the bottom of that, instantly bought back up. And that's just that's the Safemoon community. Just a quick update today, guys. If you like the content, hit that sub button, drop a comment, and let me know if there's any other tokens you'd like me to look into. Thank you. Peace.